The Pro Grip provides a variety of features, making it more than just a standard grip. With built-in waterproof storage, Pro Grip keeps your batteries, SD cards, and other important items safe and dry. The top section allows you to mount your GoPro remote for simple one-handed operation. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, while the aggressive rubber grip ensures it doesn't slip away. Pro Grip has enough buoyancy to float the GoPro and remote, making it ideal for shooting in water. The top section ejects from the body, providing an additional ultra-compact grip. A removable plate is included for use with the strap mount and provides mounting capabilities to a backpack or scuba BCD. Pro Grip offers everything you need for your next adventure.